Hello, my little ones. How are you all? I hope you are fit and fine. I am Suchata ma'am, and today in our general awareness session, we'll learn about a new season, that is monsoon season. But before learning that, let us revise the seasons you have already done. Children, do you know how many seasons do we have? Let us see. Children, in India we have 4 seasons: winter season, summer season, monsoon season, and spring season. Children, now let us revise the seasons we have already done, that is winter season and summer season. Children, now let us revise about winter season. Winter season is the coldest season of the year. We feel very cold during this season. It starts in the month of November and ends in the month of February. December and January are the coldest months. Winter season comes after the rainy season, that is monsoon season. The days are short and the nights are long. Now let us learn about the winter clothes. Winter clothes, we wear warm woolen clothes in winter like sweater, jacket, socks, scarf, cap and mittens. We use blankets and quilts to keep ourselves warm in the cold season. People like to have hot dishes and hot beverages during this season. People like basking in the sun for the warmth of the sun and sitting near the fireplaces at night. We get plenty of green vegetables and fruit during this season. Children, now let us revise about summer season. Summer season is the hottest season of the year. We feel hot and sweaty during this season. It comes after the winter season. Summer season starts in the months of April and lasts in the months of June. It is a very hot season. People feel hot and sweaty. हमें बहुत गर्मी लगती है और बहुत पसीना होता है. In summer season, the days are longer and the nights are shorter. To protect ourselves from the heat, we use hats and wear sunglasses. People wear thin cotton clothes during this season. To save ourselves from heat, we love to sit in front of the air conditioner or in front of the fan. In this season, we like to have cold things like ice cream, cold beverages like cold coffee, juices, and many other beverages. We get mangoes in abundance during this season. People like to eat mangoes and have amras during this season. Children love this season the most because they have a long summer vacation in their schools. They go for swimming during this season. People go for outing and a long vacation to beaches in this season. Kids, do you know which season are we going to learn today? Yes, monsoon season. Monsoon season is the season of rainfall. So it is also called rainy season. In this season, there is greenery all over. Because of the rain, there are new plants, new grass growing all over. So our surrounding looks beautiful and pleasant. Do you know winter is very cold? In winter we feel very cold. In summer we feel very hot. And in monsoon there is rainfall. जैसे विंटर में ठंडी होती है, समर में गर्मी होती है और मानसून में बारिश होती है. Now we'll learn something more about our monsoon season. We use umbrellas, use raincoats and gumboots when we go out in the rain. We see dark clouds. Sometimes we see lightning and hear thunder, and these all things we see in the monsoon season. Now we learn about the monsoon season in details. Children, now let us learn about monsoon season. Monsoon season starts in the month of July and ends in the month of September. It is also called the rainy season. During this season, the sky looks cloudy with black clouds with sound of lightning and thunder. When it is raining and if the sun peeps out, we sometimes see a beautiful rainbow in the sky. Ponds, lakes, rivers and all the reservoirs get plenty of water from the rainfall. The farmers get water for growing their crops. They get a good crops from the rainfall. Children, in the monsoon season, we use different rainwear like raincoats, use umbrella, wear gumboots to protect ourselves from the rain. Children, now let us learn about the fruits we get in this season. We get fruits like jamun, peach, plum, lychee and cherries during this season. When it is raining, people love to eat hot corn, which is available in plenty during this season, and pakodas. They are yummy, yummy pakodas we love to eat during this time. We see some creatures around us during monsoon, like frogs hopping here and there, snails in the garden, earthworms, centipede. We also enjoy seeing dancing peacock in this season. Children love playing in the puddles and sailing paper boats. The festivals that we celebrate during this season are Janmashtami, Raksha Bandhan, Rath Yatra and Ganesh Chaturthi. During this season, the most important thing that we have to take care of is while going out of the house, we have to use an umbrella or a raincoat to protect ourselves from the rain, otherwise we might fall sick. Children, I hope you have enjoyed and understood learning about the monsoon season. Now let us do a worksheet about it. Today I will explain the worksheet and tomorrow I will show you the solution. Children, now let us do a worksheet about monsoon season. Take the objects that you find in the monsoon season. First, what is it? It is a rainbow. Do we see a rainbow in the monsoon season? Yes, so you have to make a tick on it. What is this? This is a snowman. Do we see a snowman in the monsoon season? No, so you don't have to do anything. What is this? This is a raincoat. Do we see a raincoat in the monsoon season? Yes, so you have to make a tick on it. What are these? These are sleepers. These are summer sleepers, so we don't have to tick on it. What is this? These are sunglasses. Do we see sunglasses in the monsoon season? No, we do not see them. So we don't have to tick on it. What is this? This is an umbrella. Do we see an umbrella in the monsoon season? Yes, we see it. So we have to make a tick on it. Then what is this? These are gumboots. Do we see gumboots in the monsoon season? Yes, so you have to tick the gumboots. So what is this? This is a cloud. Do we see a cloud in the monsoon season? Yes, we see cloud and raindrops in the monsoon season. So we have to tick on it. So this is how you will complete your worksheet. We'll solve it tomorrow. So children, what did you learn today? Yes, you learned about the monsoon season. Monsoon season is also known as rainy season and our surroundings look green and pleasant during that days. Now we'll learn more about it in the next session. Till then, stay safe, stay home. Bye bye.